What's up, guys? Another day. Gonna go over how I almost made $1,500. Let's get into it. So coming into open, we were insanely bearish. Came down, what is this? 137 points off of open. Insane. But really choppy. Price action wasn't phenomenal this week. Or not this week, sorry, today. Came up, tapped into 1800, rejected. Again, I'm not looking at the charts until 10 a.m. 10 a.m. opens. Hop on the 1 minute. I liked this to continue lower, but I didn't take it simply because we are not even in equilibrium. So it wasn't valid for me. Didn't take it. Then I liked longs, right? But overall I'm bearish because, again, 10 a.m. continuations, not 10 a.m. reversals. We've been bearish this whole time. 10 a.m. continuations. That's my model. And again, not even in equilibrium. So not valid. Didn't take it. And it almost swept this high, then an SMT was formed. Then here we fill this OTE. Looks pretty good. Again, didn't really see anything. Didn't like longs off of this. Super low. Didn't like it really here because that didn't close bullish. Then we see this 1 minute rejection block in equilibrium with this swinging high that filled this gap. We then see this 1 minute block pretty much lined up with OTE. We've been in consistent bearish price action, lower lows, SMT protecting the high. It seems to just make sense. So what did I do? I put a limit at 935, 15-point stop, and target these lows. Look at that. It fucking played out. But I made a mistake. Immediately after entering in, we dump. That was great. Loved that. But I went break even at this point. And going break even wasn't really a good idea because there was no reason to go break even other than I was giving myself an emotional tie to the money, to the $300 that I was risking. It's like, oh, we dumped. If we come back up, I don't want to be a part of it. Which I don't. That's not a valid reason to go break even. A valid reason to go break even would be maybe sweeping this low, closing beneath this low, or forming a gap, which we did right here. All three of those swept this low, closed below the low, and formed a 1 minute gap. That's a valid reason to go break even. So if I went break even at this time, I'd be right here at this high, break even. But I went break even as soon as we dumped down here. And yeah, I got stopped out. I'll show my executions. This right here. We entered in 1935. Man, that just fucking sucked. You know, I followed my rules for 99% of the time on this trade today. Followed my rules great today. I didn't take any other bullshit that I saw or anything like that. Followed my rules great. And I'm so fucking proud of myself for continuing to follow my rules. Very proud. This is how I will keep getting better, by taking good stuff like this, good trades. 1 minute rejection block, bangs the entry, we come down, but I went break even too early. That was the issue. Shouldn't have done that. And if I didn't, would have banged, swept this low, and that would have been for almost $1,500, which would be so fucking big for the day. So big for the day. Now, in order to pass, I need to bang for $1,500 tomorrow and Friday, which is a big ask. It's not impossible, but it's a big ask. So, a little disappointed. More than likely, I will not be passing this account at the end of this week. I'm not worried about that anymore. If I don't pass it, I don't pass it. I'm gonna keep following my plan. I'm not gonna force anything crazy, and the success will come from following my plan. Simple, a very simple recap today. I could have made some serious money today, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, I'm very happy that I followed my rules. I lost $15 today. It's not too bad. Very happy with myself. Anyways, that's all for the video. Hopefully we can keep catching some gangster shit like this. Peace.